Hello children, welcome back, and today we are going to do one more sum on the operator of. Okay, let us start. In a class of 48 students, one-fourth of them regularly watch a TV program. So fraction of students who watch a program is given. How many of the students do not watch the program? So first they have asked us how many of the students do not watch the program, but first our job is to find out what is the fraction of students not watching the program, because watching the program is 1/4. So let us first find out the fraction. So for that we will draw in the rough column we will draw this pie chart and we will mark here as 1/4. Now we know this is 1/4. And this 1/4 is nothing but watching, students who are watching the program. So now children, tell me the fraction of students who are not watching the program. That is this and this. So it is 1/4 here, 1/4 here and 1/4 here. So that means 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, that is 3/4 fraction of students are not watching the program. So now we have got the fraction of students not watching. Now let us put this in the sum. So we will write first information as total students is equal to 48. Fraction of students not watching is equal to 1 minus 1/4. Now why am I subtracting 1/4 from 1? Because the whole circle denotes 1. From that, if you remove 1/4, you will get children who are not watching the program. So now we have got the fraction. Now this we have to convert into number of students. Therefore, number of students not watching the program is equal to 3/4 of total students. So this is the answer. Now you have to just work out this. 3/4 of means what children? Multiply. Total students is 48. So 4 ones are 4 12s are 48. 3 12s are 36 students. So the number of students who are not watching the particular program is 36 students. Hope you understood children. Next class we will see many more.